Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I'm back again with a new video. So let's see what happens with the market here. Okay, so here for me this candle will go up and will close above this point or will close as a doji. But on the left side I'm seeing, okay, now you can see it is going up and okay, I can take this okay, now I can go with the sellers confidently here. Why? Because you can see here from this point to this point, this area is a seller's area, a next seller's entry point. So therefore I took my trade in this direction and I am winning my trade here. Now you can see from this point you are seeing a seller's entry, and I want to show you that we have definitely 5-second confirmation in this candle. Now you can see this candle is a 5-second confirmation, this one. So therefore I took my trade with the margin of safety also. So the candle will close below this entry point for sure. Let's see what happens here. It has to come down at the last moment. Now you can see it came down and there is an ATM. Okay, so I want to show you that the candle closed exactly at my entry point, but I clicked here because of the fast movement. Market came down and therefore I got an ATM here. Okay, so now let's analyze this market here. If I okay, so if I see the level, the next level is here. So after this candle I can go easily with the buyers. Okay, now not with the buyers, now I can go with the sellers again. Market will hit this trend line and then it will go up, but still I'm not seeing any kind of price action here. Okay, I'm not seeing any kind of price action. Okay, let's see if I'm not wrong here. Okay, now you can see I took my trade and okay, so I am going still with the seller's entry here. Okay, let's see what happens here. If this candle closes as a bullish candlestick I can easily go with the buyers, but now you can see as per my prediction candle closed as a seller's candle. Okay, now if I analyze this market here, okay, the level is not a strong level at all, so therefore this candle is going down. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so if I check this market here, now you can see exactly from the level which I have drawn, market is coming down here. Okay, so let's analyze the market here. Okay, so here I am late, but I need a good entry point to go with the sellers here. Okay, I need a good entry point. If the candle goes up I'm going to take my trade. Okay, so I have taken my trade here. So here I have taken my trade in a down direction, so let's see what happens here. Now you can see from this line, the candle is going down and it has to close below our entry point, because I checked the level and here we will get an ITM. So here you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so now if I analyze the market here, there is no opportunity right now, so let's analyze the market again. Okay, so I can go with the buyers. Okay, I'm late here, no issues. Okay, so from this point I need to check the level. I am not seeing a strong level, so I can easily go with the buyers after this candlestick. So let's hope for the best. I'm clicking the up trade, so I have taken my trade in an up direction. So now this candle has to go down and it has to close as a bullish candlestick. I am just following these points, not more than that. So because of these points I am getting the good results. So let's hope for the best, and this will be my last trade. And you can see I took each and every trade and I am getting the best results by using these points. So because of these points I am getting best results. So now you can see here I am winning my trade here. Now I will win or I will get an ATM here. No issues for me here in this scenario. So now you can see I won my trade. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So if you have any queries you can ask me, and try to get the things which I am doing here by using only these points. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed, you all have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. We will meet again with another topic and with another trade session. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Take care. And okay, I forgot to tell you that why. Okay, now you can see you need to draw your lines like this. Okay, you need to draw your lines like this, then you will get the good results. Always try to find the best levels to take your trades, or if the candles are in between those levels, so market will continue always. Okay, so for now I think it's more than enough, and your task is to understand what I am doing with my trades. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead.